Hey guys, how's it going? So I've been cooking quite a lot while we are all locked up inside, and I have actually posted a what I eat in a day kind of video. And instead of doing like 3 meals, I decided to show you one thing that I cooked today. It's this pasta with red sauce, and I have been really enjoying eating this, so I thought I should share the recipe with you guys. I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So here are the ingredients that you would need. Some pasta, I'm using wheat pasta today. Some fresh olive oil, tomato puree, that's optional. I'm using some garlic bread seasoning, or you could use oregano seasoning, and some chili flakes, cheese, and some tomatoes. You would also need garlic and onion. I'm going to use 1 cup of the wheat pasta and boil it for 15 minutes with salt and some oil. Add cumin and chopped garlic into the hot olive oil in a pan, some chili flakes, and the garlic bread seasoning. And once the garlic is browned a little, I'm going to add in the onion. Once the onion is brown, I'm going to add in the tomato puree and also add in the chopped tomatoes. Now you can add salt to your taste and also a little bit of sugar to cut out the tartness in the tomatoes. Add a little bit of water and let this cook, and once it's cooked, add in some cheese. I'm using cheese slices because I don't have cubes or anything else, so I'm just making do with whatever I have. And once that's melted, I am going to add in all of the pasta and mix it up really well. If you like your pasta to have more sauce, then add in some more water and increase the quantity of your tomato puree. I quite like it this way. And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of oregano and a dash of fresh olive oil, and that's it. It's very easy and delicious. So I am gonna go and enjoy my lunch, and I really hope you guys found like an inspiration to cook something new today. If you guys end up trying this, then please put up a picture on Instagram and tag me. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.